Hi, this is Katie from the Quilter Trunk in Chicago, and I'm here to show you how our sewing machine service drop-off appointment system works. With high demand for sewing machine service, John is quite busy these days, and he can't always get to all the machines that are brought in each week, which is no fun for anybody because of the longer turnarounds. So to minimize the amount of time that you're without your machine and to give you a better idea about when your machine will be ready, you can make an online appointment to drop off your machine for service. Let me show you how it works. From our website, www.thequilterstrunk.com, click on Scheduled Service. If you're on a mobile device, you can just click on the navigation buttons over here and hit Scheduled Service. From this page, you'll see a calendar of available appointments. I'm going to pick June 25th at 11 a.m. for my service. The next intake form asks information about you and your machine. So give us your first name, your last name, the best number to reach you when your machine is ready, and your email. Next, it talks about your sewing machine. So I'm going to bring in my Brother NQ1600E for service. We ask for the serial number of your machine because it helps us uniquely identify the machines that we have in the shop. It's usually printed on a sticker on the back of your machine. If you can't determine the serial number, simply enter "I'm not sure" in this field. Next, we want to know what kind of a machine it is. Mine is embroidery only. Then we ask you what type of service are you requesting? Either a tune-up, which includes minor repairs, or a repair only. I'm just going to get a tune-up on my machine. Next, please describe any issues you're having with your machine in as much detail as you can. If you have a stitch out showing this kind of stitches you're experiencing, please bring that with you when you drop your machine off. If you're requesting a tune-up, simply enter "tune-up" in this field. Next, you can request a verbal estimate if you want before the work is performed. I'm not going to request a verbal estimate. After you enter those details, you'll be prompted for payment. TQT collects a $20 deposit to hold your spot in line for service. This deposit will be applied towards the final cost of your repair. The deposit is refundable if the work performed is under warranty, or if you ask for an estimate and decide not to proceed with the repairs, if the service is less than $20, or if you cancel your appointment. You can rebook an appointment at any time for no additional charge. You do need to book multiple appointments if you're bringing in multiple machines. One important point to keep in mind is that a service appointment is not necessarily the day your machine will be worked on. It is simply securing your spot in line. We'll always call you when your machine is ready. When it is time for your service appointment, come in, call us from the parking lot, and we will come get your machine from you. You never even have to get out of the car. Likewise, when your machine is ready, call us from the parking lot, and we'll bring your machine out to you then. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And the best part about it is you can book your appointment 24/7 online whenever you need to and make an appointment that makes sense for you. If you have any trouble with the online system, we're happy to take appointments over the phone during regular business hours. We thank you for your business and we look forward to seeing you in the shop.